Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com, which is why I'm making this video on a Saturday afternoon. So let's begin. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 reference 178288. I'm going to talk to you guys about, in white mother of pearl with diamond bezel and president bracelet. I'm going to talk to you about the dial, the bezel, the case, the bracelet, buckle, movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. So this is a 31 millimeter from my thumb to my index finger. It's a mid-size. Rolex makes this, their Datejusts in either 28, 31, or 36 for ladies, and this one being a 31 millimeter, it's the mid-size, the most comfortable, and in my opinion, the most practical for women. Okay, it also has, obviously, as you see, the whole watch is in 18 karat yellow gold, and as well as the case back. Now the case back is actually one piece. It's a monoblock middle case with a screw down case back and winding crown. That means this whole case is all made of 18 karat yellow gold, and in the back they use a screw down case back to ensure waterproofness, which by the way has a water resistance of 100 meters, probably 100 more meters than you'll ever go in the water with this, but at least you know it's there. Now let's talk about the bezel. Now this is an original diamond setting by Rolex. Now Rolex only uses the highest quality diamonds possible known to man, and here you see it on a watch. It's set with diamonds, and it's actually every single one set perfectly. Not only does it have diamonds on the bezel as you see, but it also has diamonds on the dial, which brings me to the next spot. Let's talk about the dial. This dial is the most expensive dial that Rolex makes. Not only does it have diamonds at the hour markers, it also is a mother of pearl. Now I'm turning it in these different directions so that you can see it has like a scaly look. It has a little bit of green, a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, a little bit of white, and it's actually a pearl. So that dial, you see, every pearl is going to look slightly different, although very similar. It's going to look slightly different. If you see it in different lights, it's actually quite a joy to look at, and it gives it sort of a 3D live look to it. Well, actually, a pearl was live at some point, wasn't it? It's made by a clam, and it was from organic material. So, hey, it's kind of like going green. You're vegan Rolex, right? You have a oyster. Well, I guess it wouldn't be vegan, but anyways. So look, that is the dial. Pretty special. It is also the most expensive that you can get. So actually this watch is the king of the heap. All right. Now let's go ahead and talk about the next thing, which is the bracelet. Now the Rolex makes their precious metal Datejusts on two configurations. They make it in this president band, which is semicircular 3-piece link, and I'll show you what I mean by semicircular. You see, if you look at it in this direction, it's semicircle, as in there's no other half to it. It'd be kind of funny if they made a full circle, then it would rub on your wrist really strange, which obviously they don't do. Okay, now there's a president bracelet, and that means 3-piece link across, and it has a high polish down the center and brushed on the side. All right. Now I want to show you the clasp now, which is a concealed folding crown clasp. Which, what does that exactly mean? You pull right here, it opens like this, and it shows you a beautiful buckle. And I want to bring your attention to some things. You see these little marks right there? Well, they're not just like, you know, random marks. No, they're actually gold hallmarks that tell you that this watch is gold, in case you forgot. You can open up your bracelet and look, and you'll know that you're wearing a gold watch, in case all this yellow didn't tell you that. You can also look at the back of the case, and you see these hallmarks at the back of the 4 lugs. Those are also gold hallmarks. All right. Now let's talk about the movement now. Now most of us are never going to open this up or really care, but it does have a caliber 2235. It has a precision of plus minus, I think, 7 seconds a day, and a power reserve of about 50 hours, which means you can put this watch down at night and pick it back up 2 days later, and it'll still be ticking. It's automatic, meaning you don't need to use a battery for it, and as long as you use the watch every 2 days, the watch will keep time. It'll keep Rolex time actually. Okay, so now this actually watch is a reference 178288. It's actually been replaced by the reference 288. Sorry, this reference is 178288, and the reference that it has since replaced this model is 278288 RBR. Okay, and there's some slight differences, such as the movement is a 2236 instead of 2235, which doesn't really matter to you, but the case is also slightly thinner, but more or less it's the same watch. Okay, so anyhow, that's it for the review. Now I'm going to try it on and give you my thoughts. Of course, I'm a man trying on a woman's watch, of course a very handsome man, but a man nonetheless. That's how it looks on a man's wrist, so you can imagine what it would look on a female's wrist. And if my thoughts, well, my thoughts are you can't really get better than the best, and this is the best. Rolex doesn't make their Datejust in any better material than yellow gold, although I can't even think what material on this planet is better than gold. So this is the highest material that they make. They don't make any bezel better than diamond, and this is diamond, and they don't make any dial better than mother of pearl diamond. So this is basically the top of the top. You don't get any better than this. So I really don't have anything to say other than if you want the absolute best, please go to jazztime.com and buy this watch. We're making this video for the purposes of selling it to you, not for you to watch my review and go buy it somewhere else. Yes, I want you to buy this watch, which is why I'm making this amazing video. So if you like this video, please check us out at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.